This is the fourth hand of the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 section. We start off with a Kong of flowers. This Kong of flowers, remember, this does not have a suit. It's considered neutral. Then we have a new color. So in our first suit, we are going to have a Kong of ones. This plus here does not have a tile. It's just supposed to be like a math equation. So ignore the plus, especially since this equation doesn't seem to work mathematically. If you understand why they have a plus and an equal here and those don't mathematically work, please put it in the comments. I have looked it up. It really bothers me. I'm an engineering teacher. Math is supposed to work, all right? So, okay, and then I have a Kong of nines in the same suit as the ones, and then the equals, ignore the equals, and then we have a second color, so a second suit, and it's going to equal 10. Notice the 0, even though it's red, it's going to be one of the soaps that is going to be used as a 0, so in that case, it's not going to have a suit. But it says any two suits, these numbers only. So you have to use these numbers. All right, so we've got my flowers. These numbers and seasons, don't worry about them. We just use them as flowers in the American Mahjong. In the regular Mahjong, the numbers and the seasons make a difference, but not in the American Mahjong, which is what I'm teaching here. So I'm using the Love the Band Bird. I teach at a winery, so we always do the cheers. You got to do that with your wine. But so we have our ones in my bands and my nines in my bands, and then notice I've got a 1, and then I have my soap, but I'm not using it as a dragon here. I'm using it as a 0. This is a pair. We cannot use jokers in there, but I can use jokers in any of these others because they are all Kongs. So these other 3 are Kongs, so I could use my jokers there. All right, like I said, if you understand why this mathematically does not work, but we have it on there, please tell me. I can't find it. All right. All right, have a wonderful, blessed day. This is the fourth hand of the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 section. We start off with a Kong of flowers. This Kong of flowers, remember, this does not have a suit. It's considered neutral. Then we have a new color. So in our first suit, we are going to have a Kong of ones.